welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with a Monday video for my Allure Beauty Box unboxing. We're actually doing the month of August. I know I'm a little behind here, but we'll jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. Unboxings, try-ons, reviews. I really try and do a What's New Wednesday every week, so hopefully we'll have that for this week. I'm looking forward to trying a couple of products. I would love for you to subscribe. Please click the subscribe button. It would make a big difference for me. And without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into Allure. Ever since they increased the Allure Beauty Box to the $24, almost $25, I have not been super impressed. Previous, when it was $15, I did really think it was a great value, very similar to the Macy's Beauty Box. I liked it because there were lots of different products in there. But ever since they have increased the price, I haven't seen an increase in value or a change per se in the products. So I'm not sure that I'm going to keep the Allure box. I may try the Chic Beauty instead, but we're going to go ahead and jump into this box for this month. So first product that I see here is a very sparkly package, which I do like. This is Winky Lux, and I like Winky Lux product actually. This is their Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Retail value is $16. Of course, it is a full size. They do say it is a universal shade. I don't always do well with a universal shade. I didn't bring my knife over here, so I don't know that I can get this open. Hang on. But we're going to swatch it and see. I always like Winky Lux's packaging. I think it's very sleek. A lot of times it's very unique and pretty. And I'm going to go ahead, and it is a teardrop shape one, which I really don't enjoy. I do have a swatch on there from another video, sorry. I am going to go ahead and swatch that. And you can see that is quite dark brown for me. That is probably not something that I'm going to be able to use. Plus, I'm not a big fan of the teardrop. I like the ultra fine pencil. It does come with a spoolie there, so definitely not a bad product to start with. Again, Winky Lux, usually you can find it at Ulta, but you can also find it at Target now. They had a beautiful display of Winky Lux at my local Target, so definitely check it out if that's what you're interested in. The next product that I see in here that I'm grabbing out is the Able Skincare. So let's check this out. This says Able Skincare Retexturizing and Resurfacing Dual Moisturizer. Retail, full size retail is $132. Holy moly. It says, after a long day, this treatment feels so relaxing. It's a joy to apply. The lotion feels soft and light going on and makes skin dewy on the spot. Shea butter and cottonseed oil keep complexion hydrated into the next day. Niacinamide helps calm occasional redness. And lactic acid is great for gently exfoliating and brightening skin without irritation. That's interesting. It has a seal. You guys know I'm a freak about seals. I do really appreciate that. Let's go ahead and put a little bit out if I can get the seal open onto my arm right here. It does come out very, very slow, and I really appreciate that. I do appreciate that it's kind of a small hole in this tube, and we're going to go ahead and rub that right in. It smells perfumey like flowers, but not super strong, but there definitely is a scent to that. It does sink in pretty quickly. And I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It does give a little bit of a glow there. I kind of like that. I would wonder, so certainly of course this is good for face, but I would wonder if you mix this in with your body lotion, if it would help kind of, especially with that lactic acid, resurface your body. So interesting, I may repurpose that. Next product that I have here is by Allure. And so this is Allure Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. Retail value $19.99. It says, I found, this is like Jello in a jar. It feels cool and refreshing going on. It says the antioxidant formula with vitamin C and ferulic acid was a pick-me-up to dried out skin and cheeks. The mask tightens a little as it sits on the skin. You wash it off after 10 minutes and it's supposed to help clear up dry patches and help you have more glowing skin. Allure is not a bad brand. It is more of a drugstore line. Oh, that bottle is beautiful. That is a glass bottle. That is a beautiful pink colored jelly mask. I would imagine you could actually put this in the refrigerator. There it is. And it is literally Jello. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is just like Jello. It smells like something. I don't know that I can put my finger on it. I don't know what I think about that. But certainly interesting. I absolutely will try it. I'm not against that. The next product here is the smallest sample that you could receive of the La Roche-Posay Hilo B5 Serum. And so this, of course, has B5 Serum as well as other ingredients to help make it very hydrating. Retail value $29.99. This, of course, is just a very small size. Let's open up and see. Oh, I dropped it. So here is that little itty bitty bottle. It does not have a seal. Oh, how disappointing. I'm going to put just the tiniest amount right there. It is a clear serum. It almost feels very aloe vera-like. I would wonder what it's very, very runny. I would wonder what the ingredients are in here. I would have to look that up. It feels very aloe vera-ish as well. Kind of that jelly, almost sticky texture. And smells like alcohol. For sure. So not bad. I mean, it's okay. And then the last product, nope, we got two more. So one of the last products is the Ciate London palette. I am not going to open this because just a couple of months ago in the Allure Beauty box, I got the same exact palette. Of course, not for nothing, the palette is nice. It is a pretty palette. All of the shadows are beautiful. Goodness gracious, my brain freeze. The metallic or sparkly shadows are gorgeous on. They do look very, very nice. The mattes are beautiful and smooth and they blend out well. You do have to build them up a little, but they blend well. I like the palette. It's nice, it's small, it's absolutely not against this. I just literally got it in the Allure Beauty box not long ago. So there's that. The retail value for that one is $24, and that is considered a full-size product, I believe. And the very last one I have in here is the Crabtree and Evelyn Rose Lush. It is supposed to be a milky, sudsy thing that suds up quickly. It is supposed to smell like rose. I don't really like fake rose smell. Oh, and it has a seal. I'm not even going to open it. I'm going to put it in my giveaway box and give it away to one of you guys who really enjoys the scent, because I'm not a rose girl. Crabtree and Evelyn products, though, are not bad at all. It's not bad. So here's my thing about Allure. For $25, I don't think that this is $25 worth per se. I think that you get a better value out of BoxyCharm, out of Ipsy, even out of the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is the smaller one for $15. Macy's, all of those things that are less expensive, you get the same amount, same size products, although you do get a couple of full size in the Allure. I'm probably going to cancel this subscription. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should cancel it? Do you think I should keep it? What are your thoughts on the box in general? Drop me a line. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.